Our next page is gonna be detail page of the location, where you're gonna include the map as well. So we create a page, and create a blank location detail page, create page. Same thing, put a bar here, and let's go creating the page itself. So the same as before, we need to pass a parameter. Gonna be named location, and type is document, collection type locations, confirm. And same as before, we set variables location images, item at index first, then for the row we're placing images of location images, confirm and confirm. So here for the image we are setting a parameter from images of location item, confirm. And in the row, let's make a main X alignment, space between. For the hello world, the title one, big one, we combine the text. First one is gonna be our city, adding a text, comma, space, and text number 3 is gonna be our country, confirm. And the body text is gonna be location and description, confirm. For the Google Map, number of markers gonna be single, and marker type document is like location. Confirm. Here we can change the types, colors, and so on. We can disallow the interaction and show user location turn off. Center map on marker tab, yes. And for the page title, what we can do, we can place a text here as a set of variables and city, confirm. And if we go back to the location page by clicking on a text, let's add an action, navigate to location detail page, and passing a parameter, location document, confirm, and done.